What's up, everybody? Papa Smurf back again with another video. I'm going to be doing something a bit different today. You'll see here in a minute. And if you can't already tell, it's raining. So it's going to be a long day. Cue the intro. What's up, guys? Man, seeing that intro makes me cry every time. Thank you once again, Callan Castora, I believe is his username. Anyways, what am I going to be doing today? You may be asking. Well, I'm kind of hungry. So I decided I'm going to do a mukbang. I don't know. Plus, I've got some updates for you. But I'm gonna be eating. Actually, before I even spill everything, I went to my local HB the other day. It's craving sushi. I ate the sushi already, but I got some pot stickers. Yeah. $4.99 for a 10-piece. So let's get into these. I'm starving, but I went to the doctor yesterday, Friday. Got everything checked out. Everything's good. I lost a few pounds. 2 pounds, but I mean, 2 pounds is 2 pounds. That's a start. You know. I know me eating pot stickers is not the best thing to be eating. I'm gonna try to attempt to use chopsticks. But anyway, so I went to the doctor. They checked me out. Everything's fine and dandy. They checked my foot out. That's what I'm trying to say. And I'm going to be seeing a foot specialist in the next few weeks because my feet are fucked up. And I do apologize for cussing. I know YouTube is supposed to be family friendly. Anyways, I got it. What is this sauce? It's brown sauce. If you guys know what it is, let me know. They usually come with the pot stickers. And then that was that. I didn't get any blood work done, but in the next 3 months, if I work my ass off and lose more weight, maybe there will be a bigger change. I think that's soy sauce. I really wish I was doing a live stream, but with my internet connection being so slow, it's nearly impossible. It takes me like 4 hours just to upload a video. I mean, it's fun talking to a camera, but it's more fun interacting with people, you know? That way I can get you guys' opinions. I can't talk. Opinions and stuff on what you want to see me do. So yeah, I'm gonna go see a foot specialist in the next few weeks. This coming Monday I have to go back into Houston to, they're gonna do some sort of procedure where they're checking my stomach and how well they digest everything, basically. So that's a 4-hour thing. I have to be up there at 8 o'clock. 8 or 9. These are delicious. The chicken pot stickers. If you have an HEB, you need to get these. Oh, San Diego Comic Con's coming up. I'm happy about that. I can't go too far. Plus, I never have the money to actually go. But I am happy about the exclusives. I don't have my phone on me, but I will get it here in a few minutes. Let me just eat this pot sticker. Alright. I'll be back. Let me get my phone. I'm back, guys. Oh, before I even get to talking about the Comic-Con, so I don't know if you can hear, but it is raining. Like, it's been raining all day. And I was going to record this morning, but the power went out around 7:30. So I was like, why am I up in the dark? So I went back to sleep for a few hours. Woke up around 12. It's like, you know what? Do a video. Power's back up. It's running. It's not raining as hard as it was. There's no lightning, no thunder. So, that's good. I don't know if you guys are into like cosplays and all that fun stuff. It's pretty cool. But what I really want to show you is the exclusives. The ones I'm excited for. So let me find the page real quick. Let me continue eating. Because this is what a mukbang is supposed to be about. Eating. I'm making a mess of this sauce. This is the first one that I want. Megazord. That one's pretty cool. That one I really need in my collection. Speaking of Power Rangers, I actually got my... It was a FA exclusive Dragonzord Red Ranger. If you don't know what that is, you know what? I'll show you a picture of it. There's no need for you guys to look it up if you don't want to. Here it is. Alright. Found it. Alright, so I ended up getting this. I am really upset that it's not metallic. But pretty sure somewhere within the next few months or next year, next Comic-Con, closer to the Comic-Con is what I should say, they're gonna be like, alright, let's release the metallic version. Like, why do you need a metallic version if it's already an exclusive? Okay, so I haven't collected any of the Batman animated series pops yet. I need to. They're gonna have an exclusive. I don't know who's gonna get it, but Man-Bat. Oh, I'm excited for this one too. Let me see if I can look him up real quick. Mr. Freeze. There we go. Mr. Freeze. That's a Legion of Collectors exclusive. Before I even forget. Nope, not that one. They're making another Suicide Squad pop, but this time it's the Joker Batman That one I'm really excited to get. Whoa, where are you going? I like it a lot. I'm excited for that one. Oh, I don't really collect Dorbs, but like I said, I am a big Batman fan. Nightwing and Deathstroke. 2-pack Dorbs. Gotta get them. Gotta get them. Oh, here's another one. Snoke from episode 7. That's gonna be a 6-incher. But I guarantee you it's gonna be a Target exclusive, sorry. They're also coming out with a what do you call it? It's a 2-pack Leia and R2D2. Holographic, yeah. I think it's the holographic where she's saying, "Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi." You know, they're paying what is it? Homage to her and her. They're remembering her and tribute doing that scene, you know, with the Funko Pops. And I thought that was really cool. But yeah, those are the pops I really want. Oh, another thing. Jason David Frank has been promoting to get more security into the Comic-Cons, which I think is an excellent idea. Because as he said, it's not about him, it's about the fans. You know, but at the same time, I mean, of course you have to worry about the people coming to the Comic-Con, but you also have to worry about, you know, the stars that are coming, you know. Because, I mean, they're in danger too. But I think that's an excellent plan to get more security into the Comic-Cons. Especially if it's in a big convention center. I mean, that's it about San Diego. What do you guys like to do, man? I mean, I know this isn't a live stream, but leave it down in the comments below. Even if you like to sleep or eat, you know, put it in the comments below. What do you like to eat? Me? I love Chinese food, as you can tell. That sushi was pretty delicious the other day. And I was gonna make a video. It was Thursday when I got all this. I was gonna make a video, but it was late and I was hungry and I didn't want that sushi to go bad. So I was like, I made the sushi. I'm not gonna risk getting sick. Especially since I'm trying to get my foot to heal. Sushi is delicious. But I don't do the raw fish. No. I stick with shrimp and crab. The imitation crab. The California rolls are delicious. If you love avocado, those are pretty damn good. They were like that big from H-E-B. The thickness, I think, or the width, actually. And they have other ones. I don't know if they're still considered California rolls, but they have cream cheese in the middle. I don't really like cream cheese. It's not the same. It's not the same as an avocado. It's like a different texture. I'm getting full. I got 2 more. If you watch my videos at nighttime, come on now. Here's one for you guys. But no, honestly, for $5, 10 pieces of pot stickers, that's a pretty good deal. Even for me, filled me up. Tropical storm hit us. Finally. They've been announcing it since Monday. But it sucks because it's the weekend. And I usually do stuff on the weekend, but I can't because it's raining. So, I'm going to be stuck at home doing nothing. Editing this video, of course, but that's about it. I live a sad life. No, I'm kidding. I live my life. Gotta be grateful for what you have and what you can do. You know? Be blessed, guys. Alright, last one. Trying to get most of the sauce. I don't know. I think this is like sweet sauce. That's what it tastes like. Is it weird that I like to dip my pot stickers in sweet and sour? That's what I do at the restaurants. Yeah. I guess I like the sweet stuff. But the soy sauce stuff is good too. Oh my goodness. Alright. I was having a blast using these chopsticks because I got the hang of it. But apparently I don't. Anyway. Here's the last one. That was the best lunch ever. I've had amazing lunches, but that was the best so far. I wish I had more, even though I'm full. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So that is my video, guys. I'll have this video up by tonight, Saturday. It will happen. I don't know, this was fun. I can actually talk about things that I enjoy, that some other people might enjoy. But leave down in the comments what you want me to talk about. And I'll take it into consideration. Please like, share, and comment this video. Give it a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down. I don't mind, as long as you're being interactive with my videos. That's great. And I love you guys. All 22 of my subscribers, which, again, I noticed I had 22 the other day. I thought I had 20. But I gained 2 more, so that's awesome. In the words of I don't know. I was trying to think of a character. Anyways, I'm rambling on. I'll see you later, guys. Love you. Bye.